There's Steve, he's always ready to stream his lovely family. But don't forget that the crazy family. Oh, the crazy family. Amanda, Xander, Abigail, and Dee are the crazy family.
So as you can see, we were supposed to have this giant snowstorm that Environment Canada had said that we were going to have 10 centimeters of snow. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No snow. Drop the ball again, Environment Canada. Nothing for us. Even over there. We got nothing. Nothing at all except for fog. Nothing but fog. So we are on our way to take Crazy Xander.
So look at, they got snow in their car. Why didn't we get snow?
Yeah, I don't know. We didn't get any snow, guys. We got rain mixed with snow. Yeah, they got right there. They got snow. We got nothing. But we're taking Crazy Xander to go see Crazy Pappa. He's gonna spend the night there, a couple of nights there. So it'll just be Crazy Mama and me and the girls. But it is disgusting outside. Very gross outside. And there's Crazy Mama. There's Abby. And Ella's back there. And there's Xander.
On driving?
Sorry,
in 300 meters, turn slight right.
So yeah. So we're driving. Oh, it looks like they had a fender bender back there.
In 200 meters, turn
But
slight
it's
right to
pretty gross
McBride Boulevard
outside.
and then keep left.
Pretty gross. What's up?
Turn slight right. In 150 meters, keep left to McBride Boulevard.
Yeah, we're gonna get Crazy Xander to vlog while he's with Papa, and then I can put it in the vlog when he comes back.
Continue.
So we're home from dropping Xander off with Crazy Papa. We just came home to fresh bread. Yeah, she got her iPod.
Should I cut it this way? Or should I cut it this way? This way, right?
Yeah, do that way if you want.
iPod.
Yeah, you got an iPod.
iPod.
Mm-hmm.
It says iPod.
And the house smelled delicious, didn't it, Crazy Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing like homemade fresh
You know
bread,
why it's
guys.
called
If you don't have a bread
iPod?
maker, you should get
You know
yourself
why
one.
it's called an iPod? Because
Why?
it says.
Because it says iPod, yep.
Yeah. And I don't know why that's there.
So I'm going to get myself some fresh coffee because I need to warm up because I was starting to snooze in the car, but that's because it was so warm in the car. So I'm going to have some fresh bread, and I think we're going to have pierogies and sausages for dinner or something like that. Welcome back to Snow Watch 2015, folks. Still no snow. Nope. Not a single drop of it. Anywho, I'm going to end the vlog tonight. I've been farting around on the internet trying to figure out what to do for Crazy Mama and I's 7th wedding anniversary next year. 7 years, folks. And get some ideas. Get some ideas to surprise her. I'm not going to send the vlog. She watches the vlogs. But, yeah, I got some ideas that I'm gonna surprise her, I think. I'm always up for surprising my wife. I like to do that for her. So anyways, guys, I had a lazy, absolutely lazy day. Didn't do a whole heck of a lot. Just kind of laid around the house and chillaxed. So anyways, guys, in the meantime and in between time, I am the Crazy Dad. Click the eye in the sky for yesterday's vlog. And as always, guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow.